Hi, I'm Chris Lafferty, Inside Sales Rep here at the Paul Mueller Company. Providing access into the interior of your tank in the easiest and safest way possible drove us to our latest innovation, the Mueller Lift-Assist. Let's take a quick look at how it works. Unlike a traditional spring assist, as we unclamp the lugs, the Mueller Lift-Assist will not spring up out of control. Rather, opens up with the ease of one finger. The gas cylinders on the Lift-Assist also allow the Manway to become stationary at any point in time for those quick peaks inside your tank. Unlike a traditional spring assist that requires two hands to shut, the Mueller Lift-Assist can be closed with ease. Clamp your lugs and move on with your day. The Mueller Lift-Assist can be installed on any of our round Manways. For more information, contact us at paulmueller.com.